Hello! Just wanted to show our library section in the tree generator. Let's check it out. We have these different categories in this scene library. Let's go through a few of them. Let's open the first Birch. And it looks like this. And you could just generate new versions of it by simply pressing the new seed button. And then you could be exporting this to your engine, creating different variations. But there's quite a bit more. Let's check some other ones. Those were birches, and here's maybe some horror genre type of meshes that I've made. Let's see another one. How about this guy? This is pretty cool for my taste. And also smaller meshes that you could fill your scene. These are now just single poly planes. These could be used in, let's say, Unity. And editing this is quite easy. Let's make a whole batch of them. Okay, let's move on with something like we have a couple of rocks. These are complete rocks with upside and downside. They're just underneath the ground. They are generated with the rock node here. Let's move on with let's move on to Spruce. And we have for these birches and spruces, and we have different aged. Let's see the number. Spruce number 3. That's obviously a younger spruce. Then I have a section here for Unity, and this is a version of the tutorial that I made for exporting to Unity. Version of that tree that was made in that tutorial. We got pine. It looks like this. I made a bush, and I'm most certainly planning to fill these categories with more items. And it's not only scenes that you can open or save to libraries, there's also materials. Let's remove some of these so we can see better. But let's open you can open materials. Let's open some other bark like random like birch tree. Let's assign it to our tree. And so you have a new material in your scene. Or you could just open textures from our library. Let's try this version. And we can also add meshes from library and to library. Let's go here, load mesh from library. Let's go mushrooms. Let's make them start a little bit closer. And even smaller. We could make this a tree with the mushrooms. Let's change the mushroom type. They need to be pushed in a little bit so they're not hovering. So. And when you're saving, you can save to your own library. I have some of these that I've been working with. But you can always load from this starter kit section. And I will be updating this regularly. So there we go. See you in the next one.